Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove black screen in seconds if you have closed Windows Explorer by mistake through your Task Manager. So basically, let me show you what you have done. Just click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. In here, just search for Windows Explorer. Then just right click on it and click on End Task. Then just close this. As you can see, I have a gray screen here right now, but yours could be black. So I'll teach you how to fix this. To fix this, what you need to do is open up your Task Manager again. But now, as you don't have a taskbar, you cannot access it that way. To access your Task Manager, what you need to do is click on Control, Shift, and Escape together, and your Task Manager will open. You can just expand this. Then what you need to do is just click on File, click on Run New Task, and in here just type Explorer, explorer.exe, and click on OK. Then just close Task Manager, and you'll see everything is back to normal. Basically, that is how to remove black screen in seconds if you have closed your Windows Explorer through your Task Manager by mistake. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.